Eh, wait, what happened? I'll after wait 10 minutes. My dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of God. Now, today is the 1st April 2021. The name of our subject is English first paper, Unit 9, Lesson 3. The name of the lesson, the greenhouse effect. There are the name of the lesson, the greenhouse effect. Do you know what is greenhouse effect? Dear students, think that what is green? There are many trees surrounding our area, our environment. Look at out of this classroom, you will see varieties kinds of trees around us, and the color of these trees are green. This is the color of green. This is the name of a color is green. The greenhouse. The greenhouse totally take of this surrounding area to take all of this area is called we call the greenhouse effect. My dear students, think that what is effect? Take some example, please. You take this medicine and the doctors suggest you that if you take this medicine, there is no effect. There is no effect. If you put on this dress, you have no side effect. This is on kind of, this is effect. Effect that's, is it clear now? Okay. Now look at your book, please. Everyone, open your book, page 100. Lesson 3, the greenhouse effect. Keywords. There are some keywords here. There are some keywords here. The first keyword is crowd. Here writing the V and put it the V by first bracket. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you. What is crowd? What is crowd? Do you know? Yes. Look at me very carefully. Look at the board very carefully and try to understand my speech clearly. Crowd. Suppose that I am running very quickly. I am running very quickly and there is a crowd in front of me. I totally arrested by the crowd. Mosquito, do you know what is mosquito? Our windows, the door, the trees, varieties kinds of places, the mosquitoes make a trap to catch their food. Like, okay. The next word is planet. Planet. Look at your book, please. The next word is planet. Planet. बुध शुक्र पृथ्वी मंगल बृहस्पति शनि यूरेनस नेपच्यून प्लूटो और भालकन. Pluto planet is our finding area. The planet is the name of the planet we live here. The Earth. This is the name of a planet. Roof. This is the roof of our building. Greenhouse. This is the greenhouse. Global warming. Release. Release. Release be here. Release. Release. I will not catch you. to go out. You have already, I have given you to out of this room. This is your golden chance. This is your release. Some persons are already in our society that they are terrorism types of persons, and they damages our various kinds of things in our society. And police arrest them and fell into the prisoner. The judgment judged about this person, and at last the judge think that the person is not guilty, so he totally permitted to the person permitted by the judge to go out. This is release. Or we catch our goats or cows by the rope to take their throat. But at the moment, sometimes we totally out of this rope our cows and goats, and they run from the free open mind in the open field. Okay, this is a release. Okay, my dear students, now look at your book page 101. Section A, Samina and Arif read about greenhouse effect in the booklet. Read the passage to know what Sabina and Arif have learned so far. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much. The next day we will read very clearly. Section A from a greenhouse is a house made of glass 2 gets hotter. Okay, thanks to all. Goodbye.